100 years of camping expertise lies within the name Coleman. As such, anything branded as Coleman gives you some peace of mind that you're getting some serious camp-worthy product. Let's take a good look into the camping versatile Coleman Rubicon. So, what do you want inside of a travel trailer? Me personally, comfort combined with efficiency. The Coleman Rubicon keeps you cool on those hot summer days with a 13,500 BTU roof-mounted AC as you lounge on those super comfy furnitures you're going to find inside. Efficiency in space includes something you won't find on most smaller travel trailers. A pop-up outlet complete with USB ports, a 2-burner range with a glass cover, a cover that can also be used to prep food as well as function as a backsplash. It's embedded in a seamless countertop along with the very functional stainless steel farm-style sink with high-rise faucet. The kitchen area is also quite stylish with glass accented cabinet doors with LED backlighting and an upgraded kitchen window. The coup de grace of the Rubicon kitchen is the slick, larger than expected 10 cubic foot fridge. In the bathroom, extra light comes via the skylight in the shower. The skylight also provides a bit more headroom for those taller RVers. Looking for more comfort? Check out the bed. You'll get a super comfy mattress and a nice touch of bedspread with top stitching. On the exterior, the word you want to keep on your tongue regarding the Rubicon is boondock. If you choose, the Rubicon line is prepped for camping out further into the woods and away from the campground, aka boondocking. First off, all Rubicon models come equipped with all-terrain tires with the tread to get you into the woods deeper. Plus, they have aluminum rims that won't rust when you do finally get there. You'll have solar for energy as well. The Rubicon models have a solar package complete with an inverter to get you the power you need via the sun and not drain that coach battery. Prevent your Rubicon from shaking with 4 stabilizer jacks. Now, that may not seem like a big deal, but in smaller travel trailers, 4 stabilizer jacks can be a rare sight. You can also relax in the outdoor area of your choosing under a power awning with LED lighting. Another exterior feature you'll love to know you're going to get is a full-size undermount spare tire. A Coleman Rubicon has an aluminum frame with block foam insulation and laminated walls with Luan wall backing and a Luan panel. The floor is a composite single layer that's vacuum bonded, and the fiberglass front cap comes with a durable automotive windshield. The structure is all covered with a 3-year structural limited warranty. Now let's talk a little bit about the Rubicon floor plans. Within the Rubicon line, you get floor plans ready to go to take your family camping, as well as floor plans with the ability to give you and your camping significant other the camping privacy that you may desire. All of them hover around 21 feet in length and tip the scales at under 4,000 pounds in unloaded weight. Let's take a look at the ones for the family first, the bunkhouses. The 1628BH has stacked twin bunks, a convertible dinette, and a queen bed. As such, it can sleep up to 5. The 1708BH is capable of sleeping 5 as well. You'll find stacked twin bunks, a queen bed up front, and a booth dinette that's in a slide out. As for the couple-centric Rubicon models, you have the 1608RB. You'll find a sizable bathroom with a radius shower, a queen bed up front, and a nice sofa in a slide-out that comes with an indoor-outdoor table. The Rubicon 1648RB has a large bathroom in the rear with a wardrobe linen closet, a booth dinette, and a Murphy bed system up front with a queen bed pull-out. All in all of them are great. Get yourself a Rubicon. Now that you've seen a comprehensive look at the Coleman Rubicon line of laminated travel trailers designed for boondocking, take a personal look by heading out to find your nearest Camping World, and hey, see which one of them is going to be right for you and your loved ones. And by the way, happy camping.